We are closing the session and we're moving to just some concluding remarks from the CoastPredict Board, represented here by Nadia and myself. And we have some slides.
Yeah.
Very few. Only a couple. Do you have them?
We actually consulted with
Joaquin,
the third board member.
Yes.
Emma was not available, but we had a consultation with other co-chair. And Joaquin is present online.
I'm here, yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, we can. Thank you.
Hello. Just hello. Thanks.
It's not my slide. I need the slide. Okay. All right. So just a few concluding points that we feel reflect what we have discussed this last day. Important one was the new governance. We had an extraordinary assembly on the 4th of November that determined the structure. So this has been approved through that assembly. We had up December 4 inputs. It was presented to the assembly and it is now finalized. We consider it final. So the composition, the new names of the board would be completed by the end of the Global Coast Assembly that is starting this afternoon. I just remind you from what I presented yesterday that the board has been enlarged by adding the Global Coast co-chairs, and the names have to be determined. And that's it from me, Nadia.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So the second major outcome of the General Assembly is Global Coast discussion. We felt there was a need for reopening the survey to get more pilot sites, and we propose to reopen from September, while from now to September we consolidate. So we consolidate because we have an urgent need to converge on the adaptation fund proposals. So I guess you had a presentation of the 3 basic adaptation fund proposals, and we ask you the mandate to go to UNESCO IOC and accelerate the process, asking, also on behalf of the Assembly that, this process should converge to some solution very soon. We started, as we said, last June, the preparation, 6 months for preparation, I think is a good time, and we should converge. So I just wanted to, so these are the conclusion. The final considerations. Is there anything that we are missing? But no, this afternoon we started the Global Coast. I wanted to finish on the Global Coast. So this afternoon, clearly we started the Global Coast Assembly, the first one. We had to do CoastPredict first, and the Global Assembly is in the afternoon. So we'll have more to discuss, but out of this initial discussion of Global Coast, where we saw the adaptation fund proposal, so we felt, and the request by other people to enter the network, these were our conclusions. Are we missing something? Okay, thank you. So then the third most important outcome is that we are converging on a menu of solutions that has been presented and will be defined in the final form after the Global Coast Assembly wait a minute, which will start this afternoon, but also we will leave the document alive for you to insert comments. This will be the guidelines for the adaptation fund proposals. So it will be, you have to see if we are not missing points, please add them and give us, the alternatives. I have one more. Do you have anything from the?
That's it. I see already many of you are taking the picture of the QR code. That leads you to the document. If you have any problem, let us know. We can send you the link. And so we're giving, because really we need to accelerate, we give a week for comments. So please do.
So
Thank you.
we need to go with this menu of solutions to say, look, we have elaborated the solutions that we want to implement in the adaptation funds. We can't wait any longer. And, this is excellent work that has been done by the community, and we need to go ahead. One last part would be that after this period where we use the manual solutions for the adaptation fund proposals, and so hopefully we will write some paper on these menus, showing the reasons why and so on. And already I see a lot of contribution from the discussion of the core projects that you did. So please, after this discussion, put your input in, because you already have discussed more. Maybe in the manual solution, you can a little bit adapt the discussion and insert what is missing.
Let's give Joaquin the opportunity. Joaquin, would you like to have comments?
Joaquin?
No, thanks. I think we had already discussed. I think it's very clear and very good. And I think the menu of solutions is right now a very important.
Are you still there? Can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you. I'm speaking.
Okay, we hear you now. Please go ahead.
Okay, thanks. No, I was just saying that I fully agree. I think it's been very, very important and conclusions and discussion on the General Assembly. The menu of solutions that you were just now introducing, I think, is essential, and iterating on them is the next step forward. So thanks very much. I think it's been extremely profitable. Thanks.
Closing for lunch? No?
Wait, before-
Okay.
Okay, so